All right, good morning, friends. For reading and writing today, we're adding to our 3 words from yesterday from our level C sight words, okay? We have done level A, we have done level B, we are on to level C, okay? But just because we are done with level A and B, that does not mean we stop practicing. So if you ever have extra time or you're bored, see if you can pull those words out and practice reading them so that they stick in your brain so that way when we start reading it's easier for you to recognize those words quickly. Okay, so today you're focusing on the words and, are, come, for, got, and here. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna watch those videos. So you're gonna click the level C videos and you're only gonna watch the words for those videos. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? So those are your words for today. After you're done watching the videos, you are gonna practice building those words, okay? Just like you do while you're watching the video, you're gonna practice building those words. But you're not going to write them on paper. You're going to use virtual alphabet tiles to do it. If you don't want to do it virtually, because I understand some of you, the computer is not your favorite thing to do. If you don't want to do it virtually, then that's fine. You can make your own little paper tiles by writing the letters and cutting them out and doing it that way. Whichever way works for you is fine. Okay. But I thought that this alphabet tiles on the computer were cool, and I thought maybe some of you would like to try that. Okay, so you would find this icon on our Clever Teacher page. So we'll scroll down, there it is. You would click it. All right, and you would build all the words for today. So the first word would be and. And. So I'm going to try to spell the word and. So A, N, D. And. All right, now let's see. Our next word would be R. So I'm going to go back to that. I'm going to spell the word R. A, R, E. R. So then I would go to my next word, come. So I would spell that word, C, O, M. Uh-oh, put the M in the wrong spot. M, E. Come. And I would go and I would look at the next one, four. So I'm going to spell four now. And you can put them wherever you want on this canvas, okay? They don't have to be in this exact order. They just do have to be separated so you can tell that um, they're separate words and not put together, okay? So four, and then got. I'm going to put got over here. Got, G, O, T. And then if you do mess up, that's okay. You can just take it off the board that way by clicking it and dragging it off, and you take it off if you do mess up, okay? G-O-T is got, and then the last word for today is here. H-E-R-E, here. So, and, are, come, for, got, and here. Okay, so I have spelled or I built these words each one time. You're welcome to build them as many times as you want, okay? When you are done building your words, just make sure you send a picture to me through Edsby. It does have the option to do a full screen to make it bigger if you want. So you can do that by clicking full screen. If you don't, then you would just leave it how it is, okay? But that's pretty much it. That's all you're doing for today. I hope you guys enjoy this virtual tool. I thought it was pretty cool. Um, so have fun and make sure you're practicing all of your sight words, okay?